Welcome to today's trade recap. So today is the 30th of March, Monday, and we are up $353 on the on the eval. Second trade actually. No, third trade. Matter of fact, 2 break even and 1 win. Heavily under risked, which is quite unfortunate, but it happens. Not really mad. Going into market open, I was actually leaning bullish since we left this crazy data wick. Well, I'm assuming it was data wick. Can't really be anything else. So I was hoping for this to get taken. Let me label it. We had data highs, and then we started ranging after that. We already swept data lows, and then we started ranging. On the 5 minute, we had this 5 minute sell side intermediate time low inside the 15-minute gap. Well, it was a 15-minute gap, sell side even, which we swept straight at market open, and then manipulated higher without an inverse. So I didn't take this long, but this is what I wanted to take. Like if it had inversed if it had inversed about there, I probably would have targeted the data high, because I was expecting that to get hit. If it did get hit, well, matter of fact, I probably would have targeted a 1-to-1, but because it is market open, very volatile, so chances are we would distribute then, well, pump up, pump down, pump up, whatever. Here, this I could have taken this short realistically. If the first candle had inversed, then I might have taken it, but I don't know. I was just leaning more bullish in the moment because of the data highs. So and just the structure here seems pretty bullish to me. Like it seems like pretty clear manipulation than a failed distribution. Like by the looks of it, this was the real manipulation leg here, which did send us really quite far down. I was looking for inverses back up, to be honest, or like to see if we reacted off of any other sell side, which we didn't really. And then we started dumping pretty much. We refilled this 4-hour gap after getting delivered from this 4-hour gap. So, and because conditions are pretty choppy right now, I was expecting us to keep bouncing up and down in between the PD arrays. So I was, once we hit the 4-hour gap, I was looking for just any reaction after like all of this sell side here is swept, and also midnight open was here. Where was it? Here. As a matter of fact, they only just about swept it. Don't worry, I'm waffling about midnight open. But yeah, I was just looking for a reaction. This was kind of predicting the bottom, but I liked it either way. Like we got the wick here, started going up, then had this clear rejection wick, like tap into the rejection block. It is a 1 minute, so pretty insignificant. Yeah, it was a 5 minute, so still quite insignificant, but just a small indication. And then in the moment, this was like a pretty impulsive move, which is what made me have conviction in it. As you can see from the 1 minute, like it was literally a devil's mark. So, it left a devil's mark. So you can vision how impulsive it was. either way. Targeted a 1-to-1 on the wrist because honestly, I had my wrist position like about up here. No, it was at yeah, about up here because this is where it was about to inverse, and then like just before it inversed, it just went all the way down here, and I didn't want to miss the move, and I typed in 10 contracts prior instead of 15 or 14, whatever it was. Yeah, it would have been 14. So a bit of an under risk here. Reason I was targeting a 1-to-1 is because I was kind of predicting the bottom, and like with the new strategy, I just prefer targeting 1-to-1s usually. We don't have any like actual clear targets up here, but yeah, overall I didn't mind that trade. Also, yeah, before this trade I actually took this 30-second bearish, like short. Where is it? Right here. Because this was also an impulsive move. I did go break even at this internal low for safety, and like going into this trade, I was aware that we could be bullish in the moment. So if I saw a impulsive bullish candle, then I would have taken it, which I saw exactly that and acted on it. I'm gonna be honest, going into the trade I was still pretty fearful, like I'm not too sure why, but my heart was still racing a lot. Yeah. And then there was like 2 other opportunities. I'm assuming one of them was this 2-minute maybe. Yeah, I'm assuming this 2-minute was I could have taken it and targeted a 1-to-1 again. Stop loss would have been at the wick or the inverse. 1-to-1 would have been hit there. So that's another trade I could have taken. This was after a resweep of the 15-minute sell side, and then after that there was also another entry here. Wait, no, not there. Well, that's not where I would have liked to enter personally. Probably could have entered in there and hit a 1-to-1. I think it was a 1 minute there here. So we created this V shape, tapped into an order block or rejection block, wherever it was over here, then had the pullback, and then I would have entered off of this bullish inverse. Honestly, probably would have targeted a 1-to-1 here as well, but could have targeted. Oh no, I couldn't have. No, I'm pretty sure it was a SMT. Hold on. What time? 11:05. Oh no, it wasn't. Yeah, I would have got fucked here if I didn't take a 1-to-1. But either way, didn't take either of them two, since I had taken one trade already. So I'm happy with the trade, to be honest. Like, it is pretty shit conditions right now, so not the best, well, not the easiest time to trade, but I can still act on certain things, certain opportunities. That's the end of the video. Bit of a long one.